In this video I'm going to talk about doing things that you're not used to. Hi guys, Gary Yaman here. I'm a wedding photographer based out of the Netherlands, and today's video is all about doing things that you're not used to. Today was a lovely day, so I went out and did some landscape, nature photography, environment photography, whatever you want to call it, and try to capture the fall season. And I brought my GoPro with me. I hope you liked the video. It's just me struggling and figuring out things that I'm not used to. I hope you like it. Subscribe if not already. Let me know what you think. Comment down below, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. What's going on, guys? Gary Yaman here, and today I am walking into a little park, searching for a good spot to photograph things, get some landscape things, some nature shots with my Sony A7 III. Filming now with the GoPro. It's a little bit windy, but the weather conditions are fine, just dry. And oh, look at what we got here. Oh, there it goes. Cool. So yeah, let's find out what we can capture today and see if we can get some good shots. Right. So yeah, this place here looks kind of cool with the trees. So I might come up with something here. This looks a little bit interesting. Let's see what we can do here. So yeah, nothing very much exciting here. Gonna go up a little hill and see what's going on there. So just up there. So this little dog knocked over the gimbal. Little scratches, but minor scratches. Not too big of a deal, of course, but still, it can happen. This place is not that much inspiring, I must say. So let's go to a different location and see what's up there. So the second location I'm just visiting is the Bos, and let's see if we can capture some good photos here. Looks good. It's more the sun has come through to the clouds. So. Alright, so there's a cool little lake here. Let's see if we can find some mushrooms or something, and have a little bit more of a color somewhere. Looking for color. Quite disappointed there are no mushrooms. At least I cannot find them, so a little bit disappointed. Not very inspiring, to be honest, and not a lot of interesting things to capture here, at least at this park in Bos. A lot of dogs running around, people just jogging and having a good time because of the good weather conditions, but that's about it actually. I'll go back to the office and see what I captured.